Crash landing in St. Elizabeth. High-level investigation into Friday evening incident involving small aircraft. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, 2 persons charged, 2 awaiting ID parade in over December 28 kidnapping of a man in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. And later, shadow cabinet reshuffle. Find out who's in and who's out. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast. So stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.